We are right now at Sri Vallabha temple in Tiruvalla. This is one of the Divya Deshams. The deity's name is Sri Kolapiran in Tamil. There's a beautiful pastime here, very beautiful temple. You see the big compound. Inside is not allowed to take video, so I'm just covering it from outside. This is the main entrance here. And outside there is a mandapam where there is a regular performance of Kathakali, but today it's not there. Next performance is on 15th. There is a temple found just outside, I'll show later. So this is the outside wall, outside compound, inside not allowed. So you can see there, Om Namo Narayana, that's the way to the Sanctum Sanctorum. Beautiful form of Lord Narayana, 400 form. Sri Vallabha in the standing posture. Here there's a beautiful pastime. There was a lady, Mangatamma. She was a great devotee. She was not very educated materially, but she was staying with her husband and performing nice devotional service. And every Ekadashi she was, following the vows so strictly that she would fast the whole day. And then the next day she would break the fast, and she would only after feeding a Vaishnava she would break the fast. So devotees were coming and honoring prasadam, and then she would break the fast. So after her husband died, she didn't know how to calculate Ekadashi because she was not, she didn't know how to calculate because she thought every 15 days there is Ekadashi, because that normally does not happen. Sometimes it's 14 days, sometimes 16 days. So sometimes she used to observe the wrong Ekadashi on the wrong days, and many people used to make fun of her. So she used to pray very sincerely, and obviously it was not Ekadashi, so nobody would come for the Parayan on Dwadashi morning, and she would still continue to fast. So Lord Krishna was very, very attracted to her simple devotion. So he came as a small boy on one of the Dwadashis, and he was fed by this Mataji, and that's how she broke the fast. And that's how regularly Krishna would come as a small boy and honor prasadam. One time there was a demon in this area called Tolasura. He used to trouble everyone here, especially devotees, and she used to trouble this Mataji also. So Krishna again came and fought with this demon and killed him. And then after killing, he came to see the Mataji. Suddenly, this Mataji saw Srivatsa mark on Krishna's chest, or Lord's chest. And immediately she says, "Oh, I know who you are. You are none other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, Lord Narayana. So now you have to give me darshan in your original form." And then the Lord had to agree, because the Lord is controlled by the simple devotion of devotees and nothing else. So the Lord gave a darshan, and then this Mataji the devotee requested that you please stay here and keep giving darshan to all the devotees in this form of Sri Vallabha. So Vallabha is very dear, and Sri Vallabha, that is Sri, that is Lakshmiji, is very dear to Krishna, and all the devotees are very dear to Krishna. So it's a beautiful form of Sri Vallabha. Kolapiran is the Tamil name of this deity, beautiful form. And this is the compound wall. Outside there is a Shankha form here. You see here, Shankha. This is the entrance, and there is a mandapam there. I'll show you the temple pond outside. So this is the mandapam where the performance is held. You see here, 15th is the next performance.
വന്നോ
വന്നു So there is a temple found outside. Temple of Sri Vallabha Swami.